Hello, all right, okay. You are welcome again to this video training. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step on how you can use Canva to edit your Facebook cover pics design. So that is just for that. So please, if you are new to my channel, I want you to click the red subscribe button and turn up the bell notification. So whenever I'm going to post any other video or any other update, you'll be the first person to notify. So now you can be asking, like, a lot of people don't really know about Canva. Canva is an Australian multinational software company that provides a graphics design platform, and Canva provides tools for creating social media graphics um, like presentation, poster card, and promotional materials and website and the rest. So what you need to do now, how you need to head up to your Canva. But if you don't have Canva, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store, and you just need to go there. And if you don't have Canva, you can come to your Play Store and type and search on Canva. Sorry, Canva. So here is the application. So on your device, your own will be showing install if you don't have it. But as for me, I have it and I've been using it to run some couples of design. It is very easy to navigate the process. The only step that you just need to do is just for you to pick a design that is suitable to you, and then you edit. But in this video, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is, all right, let's go to Canva. Alright, here is my Canva. As you can see, I have done a lot of design using Canva in the past few months. So that is just for that. That is all the design I've done using Canva. I've also used it to create a lot of design. So you can still go to my YouTube channel to check a lot about me, which I've used Canva to run so many design. All this, you can go to my YouTube channel to check about all this. So that is just for that. I've done so many designs with Canva. So what you need to do is, you need to come here, as I was trying to tell you before. Like, Canva is a free website that you can use to edit your photos. So I want to edit a simple Facebook cover photo. So the step that we are going to take is, I'm going to come to this Facebook post here and click on see all. All right, so I'm going to choose the one that I'm going to use, but for the benefit of this video, there's none of this that is suitable to me. I don't really want to go through this. So on your own, what you need to do now, you can just click on any design that you like. You can, okay, this one is a pro, this one is a pro version. So you can just come here, click on any design that you like or any design that is suitable to you. And what you just need to do is, okay, once the design has opened like this, the best thing you need to do is you just click here and be editing some few things that you like to edit. So that is just for that. You can just come here and click here and you edit the text. Have you seen? And you edit the text to, let's say, Samuel edit. Have you seen? And you edit the text. And so like I was trying to say, I have posted a lot of video on how you can use Canva to run your design here. So if you want to go through my previous videos and check on how you can use Canva for your graphics and design. But as for me, what you need to do, I need to go back again. I need to go back. Really need to go back. I need to go back. I need to go back to home. All right, let's go back to home now. Okay, so I'm going to use the blank page. I will be clicking on this create blank. I just want to do a simple design. It's not something that is that big. It's just a cover page and cover photo for my Facebook. So that is just for that. So after it has opened like this, I'll come here and choose the color that I would like. Come here and click on here, then click on this pink. No, that's not the color. All right, here's the color that I'm going to go with. All right, that's just for that. I'll go with this one. So the next step is, can come here, just want to make it to look a little more attractive. All right, I'll click on here and bring a template. So I'll need to change this template color to navy blue. All right, I need to change the template color to navy blue. All right, this is what I want. So what I'll need to do is, I just want to do a little design. So that's just for that. That's what I want. I don't want something big. Or so what I'll need to do is, I can come here to this sign here. This sign is to copy it, is to copy the image into two. I'll just click on copy, then drag it here and put another color again. So that's just for that. So I'm good to go with this. Have you seen? It has already stand out. So the next step that I'll need to follow is, I'll need to come here to this text. I need to come to this text and come to add a heading, and I have something that I want to put there already. All right, I've put. All right, so here is what I want to put here already. I'll need to take it here. It's just I'll need to change the color, text color to white. I need to change the text color to white. Need to change it. Okay, I still need to come here and add fonts. Need to change fonts. Let me check if I can see the one that I would really like to use. All right, going with this one will be okay for me, because I don't really want to do that much design. I just want something that will stand out on my listing. So I could have go ahead to change this size, what I need to come, but what the problem there is, I'm not using the paid version. Could have changed the size of this the size of this design to the size that is suitable to me. So the next step there is, I'll just allow this to be like this, then I'll double click it and check Samnet digital and marketing. All right, so that's just for that. I'm not going for much design. I just want to do something that will appear on my. All right, I need to change the fonts. This particular one, I'll need to change the font. All right, we don't have that much font here. Need to allow this one, then I'll need to change this font. All right, maybe I'll like this one. I'll need to go with this one. Okay, I just want it to be simple like this. I just want it to be simple. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is let's say I need to try to bring my image. Let's say all right, let me try something like this. So far is about digital. All right, I like it. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to come here. I don't want this thing to be showing like this. So the next thing that I'll need to do, I'll need to go to transparency, then take back the quality of the image. All right, okay, I like it like this. I'll go like this. So the next step there is I really, okay, I want it to be like this. I'm near to digital marketing, building a successful. I can go ahead to change this color to the color that I want to, just to change this color, but I don't really want to change this color. Have you seen? I don't really want to change it. So I need the have you seen? I want the white so that people can see it clearly. So that's just for that. So the next step is I'll come here to this arrow button here. Have you seen this arrow button here? I'll come here, then click on this download. Click on this download. You can choose this as PNG or JPEG, but as for me, I'll need to go for this PNG. Then click on download. Then you wait for it. Image already download. So let's move to our phone gallery so that we can check it. Alright, have you seen? There is image. So remember, I told you that I want to use this for this thing. So that is just the process. Alright, so guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the bell notification so that whenever I post any other video or any other update, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you.